So we're going to install these El Cheapo brackets like that. So install the brackets. Do one side at a time, that way it doesn't loosen up. And on your driver's side, watch your washer hose so it doesn't get pinched, because it sits right in there. And in your brackets, there's no cutting with these. It just fits right in there. And it matches up with the contours of the hood. Doesn't hit the hood. Doesn't hit the hood there either. Looks like they're fairly level. Got them wired into the factory auxiliary switches. They clear the glass, the hood, and the wiring harness fits down in there nice. And I have them, because I got the right package on my Tradesman, plug right into the auxiliary wiring switch, so you don't need anything other than a splitter and a wiring harness. So all the other wiring harness is gone. I need to zip tie this up a little better. But other than that, you just pop out your two plugs in that, plug your pins into it, hook that into your wires there, and then run your ground. It's pretty simple. And yes, I'm going to shorten that harness up because there was a lot of extra I still had. And I've got butt connectors on there now. I'm going to replace it with some Deutsch connectors, a 3-pin Deutsch that matches the plugs that are on the lights themselves.